Namaste everybody, good morning all. Welcome to my session. Today we will be doing Surya Namaskara flow. Surya Namaskar is a kind of practice of activating the sun within you. Fundamentally it is solar energy. When you do Surya Namaskar, that sun energy or solar energy will start to within the system. When that energy will start within the system, you will feel more energetic and you will have a lot of aspects in this, lot of benefit in this class, like flexibility you will get stamina, strength, mobility, stability and all that. So let's start without any further delay. Sit comfortably. Take chin mudra upon your thighs, raise the sternum up, gently close your eyes. Relax your face, relax your shoulders, relax your body completely. Breath be normal and deeply without putting any stress on your face or nostril. Remove all the outer chatter. Remove all the tension from your mind and from your body. No thoughts, no more tension. Observe your breath for a few seconds. Take a deep breath in here and exhale completely. Now inhale through the nose, exhale from the mouth, inhale through your nose, exhale from your mouth, inhale through your nose, and exhale from your mouth. Now gently open your eyes. Namaste. So let's start practice. In this class, we will be doing 5 types of Surya Namaskar. The first one, traditional Surya Namaskar, that which we have 12 steps in this one series. That is called traditional Surya Namaskar. And after that, we will do Hatha Yoga Surya Namaskar, first traditional and Hatha Yoga. And third one, Vinyasa Sun Salutation. And fourth one, Satyananda Sun Salutation. And fifth one, Ashtanga, Mysore Ashtanga Yoga Sun Salutation A and B. So we will do each type sun salutation 2 rounds. So in this series, you will have a lot of health benefits like flexibility, what I said, flexibility, strength, stamina, mobility. Ready? So let's start practice. Please all of you come in front of the mat. Stand with your foot together or stand with your foot about equal the distance apart. Stand taller. When you stand, take your back so straight, lengthen your spine. Relax your shoulders down, breath should be normal. Now take Namaskar Mudra in front of your chest, breath be normal here. Now as we inhale, lengthen your spine, arch back. Exhale, bend forward, adjust your palms next to your foot, breath should be normal. Keep remember, we are doing traditional Surya Namaskar. Keep breathing out, inhale, bring your right leg back. And drop your right knee down, stretch your toes, pointing back, push pelvic front. Inhale, raise the chin up and look upward. Lengthening your spine here. Keep breathing and out. If you find it difficult to get the palms on the floor, maybe you have fingertips on the floor here. Push pelvic more and more down and raise the chin up along the sternum. And as we exhale, bring your left leg back into Dandasana, body so straight. Engage your core and tighten your glutes muscle. Inhale, drop the knees down. Exhale, sit back into child. Breath be normal, head is down here. Inhale, slowly come up, tuck your toes in. Exhale, bring your chest, chin on the floor, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, upward facing dog, stretch your toes, pointing back. Keep your elbows so straight. If you have problems in the back, I recommend you to come little down, fold your elbows next to your ribcage muscles. And as we exhale, tuck your toes in, pick up the hip upward, come into down facing dog. Press the sternum inside. Keep breathing and breathe out. Now inhale, drop the knees down here. Exhale, sit back into child. Breath be normal. Inhale, step your right foot front without lifting your left knee. Push pelvic front as much as you can. Push pelvic as much as you can. Focus on your left quadriceps and look upwards. And as we exhale, bring your left leg front into Padahastasana. If you can, grab your heels and try to touch your forehead in between your kneecap. Inhale, all the way up, lengthen your spine and slightly arch back. Exhale, Samasthiti. The same at the opposite side. Take Namaskar Mudra. Inhale and exhale, arch back. Inhale, come up and exhale, lean forward. Inhale, take left leg back. Exhale, Asvasanchalana or Ekapada Pranipatasana, look front. And exhale, take right leg back into Dvipada Pranipatasana or Dandasana, look front here. Inhale, drop the knees down. Exhale, sit back into Shashankasana, child. Inhale, come up, tuck your toes in. Exhale, bring your chest chin on the floor, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, upward facing dog, Bhujangasana and look upward. Exhale, come into Parvatasana. Press the sternum inside, keep breathing and breathe out. Press the palms from your armpit so that it will help you to reduce the upper back stiffness. Make sure that your shoulder blades should gather. Inhale, drop the knees down. Exhale, sit back into child again. Now inhale, bring your left foot front in between your palms without lifting your left knee. Push pelvic front as much as you can. Focus on your right quadriceps muscles and upward. And as you exhale, bring your right leg front into Padahastasana. Inhale all the way up, lengthen your spine. Exhale, Samasthiti. Now, this is one round. Like that, we'll do second round. In each types of Surya Namaskar, we are going to practice two rounds. Okay. So let's start second round. The same practice. I mean traditional Surya Namaskar. Take Namaskar Mudra. In traditional Surya Namaskar, we have 12 steps, including 2 times child posture. Take Namaskar Mudra here. Lengthen your spine and slightly arch back. And exhale, fall forward. Inhale, right leg back. Asvasanchalana, drop your right knee down. Stretch your toes, pointing back. Look upward. Exhale, left leg back into Dandasana. Body so straight, engage your core, tighten your glutes muscles. Inhale, drop the knees down. Exhale, sit back into child here. Inhale, come up. And exhale, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog here. Press the heels down to the floor. Inhale, drop the knees down. Exhale, child again. Inhale, step your right foot front without lifting your left knee, push pelvic front. Lift your chin up. And exhale, bring your left leg front into Padahastasana. Inhale, all the way up, lengthen your spine and slightly arch back. Exhale, Samasthiti. The same at the opposite side. You continue, inhale, arch back. Exhale, bend forward, Padahastasana pose. Inhale, step your left leg back. Exhale, push pelvic front with inhalation, look upward. And as you exhale, bring your right leg back into Dandasana, body so straight. Inhale, drop the knees down. Exhale, sit back into child pose. Inhale, come up and exhale. Ashtanga Namaskara, breath should be normal, elbow should be close to your body. As we inhale, upward facing dog, look upward. Exhale, downward facing dog, press the sternum inside. Keep breathing and breathe out. Inhale, drop the knees again and exhale, sit back into child, lengthening your spine, keeping the arms so straight and stronger. Inhale, step your left foot front in between your palms, push pelvic front here as much as you can, look upward. And exhale, right leg front into Padahastasana pose. Inhale all the way up, lengthen your spine and slightly arch back. Exhale, Samasthiti. And take relaxation for a few seconds. This is called traditional Surya Namaskar. We have a 12 step in this series. So next series we are going to practice Hatha Yoga Surya Namaskar. Okay? In Hatha Yoga Surya Namaskar we have purely 10 steps. There is no child portion. Okay? Let's start. Please all of you come front of your mat. Stand with your feet together. Stand taller. Keep your hands side of your thighs coming to Tadasana. Take Namaskar Mudra, Pranamasana. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Raise your both hands up, slightly arch back. Exhale, Pada Hastasana. Adjust your palms next to your foot. Keep breathing and breathe out. Inhale, step your right leg back. But don't drop your back knee down here. Keep your right leg so straight and strong. Breath should be normal. Maintain the right leg straight like a concrete. Keep breathing and breathe out. And exhale, bring your left leg back into Dandasana, body so straight here. Keep breathing and breathe out. Inhale, breathe. Drop the knees. Exhale. Chest, chin on the floor. Ashtanga Namaskara. Elbow should be close to your body. As we inhale, upward facing dog. Look upward. Exhale, downward facing dog. Press the sternum inside. Keep breathing and breathe out. Now inhale, step your right foot front. In between your palms, look front here. Maintain the back leg so straight and strong. Exhale, left leg front into Padahastasana. Now here, instead of coming up from here, you need to do opposite side. Then we will be gonna do second round here, opposite in first round. Take left leg back. Look front, Asva Sanchalana. And exhale, right leg back into Dandasana, body so straight. Make sure that your wrist should in a line. Inhale, drop the knees. Exhale, just chin on the floor, Ashtanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg front in between your palms, look front. Maintain the back leg so straight and strong. Look forward, Asva Sanchalana. Exhale. Padahastasana. Inhale, all the way up, lengthen your spine and slightly arch back. Exhale, Namaskar. The same method, second round. Take Namaskar Mudra. Inhale, raise your both hands up. Exhale, Padahastasana. Adjust your palms next to your foot. Inhale, right leg back, front. Exhale, left leg back to Dandasana, body so straight. Inhale, drop the knees down. Exhale, bring your chest, chin on the floor, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, upward facing dog, look upward. Exhale, downward facing dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now inhale, bring your right leg front in between your palms, look front here. And exhale, left leg front into Padahastasana. Don't come up, make it opposite side from here. Inhale, left leg back, look front. Exhale, swing your right leg back, next to your left foot, come into Dandasana, body so straight. Look forward. Drop the knees down in here. Exhale, chest chin on the floor in between your palms. Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, Bhujangasana, look upward. Exhale, downward facing dog, press the sternum inside, lengthening your spine. Now inhale, step your left foot front in between your palms, push pelvic front as much as you can. And exhale, right leg back into Padahastasana. Inhale, all the way up, lengthen your spine and slightly arch back. Exhale, Samasthiti. And take relaxation for a few seconds. This is called Hatha Yoga Surya Namaskar. So next, we will be doing Vinyasa Sun Salutation. In Vinyasa Sun Salutation, there is a two posture holding. The first one plank and second one Chaturanga Dandasana. If you find it difficult to hold in Chaturanga Dandasana position, okay, you can drop the knees down, but don't drop the chest and hold it off the floor tight. Okay, let's start. Practice. Please come front of the mat. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. One more deep inhale and slowly breathe out and relax yourself. Stand with your feet together. Take Namaskar Mudra. Here, jumping is there from the Padahastasana to downward facing. Jump back into downward. If you find it difficult to jump back, I recommend you to walk back into downward facing dog. That is no problem. Okay, just keep continuing. If you find it difficult to jump back, you can walk back. Take Namaskar Mudra here. As we inhale, lift your both hands up, lengthen your spine. Lengthen your spine, but don't arch back. Keep your hands so straight and lengthen your sternum. As we exhale, pull your navel against the spine. Pull your abdomen against the spine. When you push your abdomen against the spine to activate the fire, to reduce the abdomen disease. That's very important technique in this series. Inhale, raise your both hands up, lengthen your spine. Take a deep breath in and exhale completely and pull your abdomen, pull your navel against the spine. Completely in. Exhale out and hold the breath and pull your abdomen inside. One more time. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Complete and hold the breath, pull your abdomen towards the spine. Take a deep breath in and exhale, slowly lean forward. Adjust your palms next to your foot or grab your heels. Try to touch your forehead in between here. Now inhale, halfway up to front. Exhale, jump back into downward facing dog. If you find it difficult to jump back, I recommend you to walk back, step back into downward facing dog, no problem here. Now inhale, plank, hold this posture. Tighten your glutes, engage your core. Make sure that your wrist, shoulders in a line. Look down here. Keep breathing in, breathe out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, come into Chaturanga Dandasana. If you find it difficult to come like that, drop the knees down, but don't drop the chest. Hold. Elbows should be close to your body. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Upward facing dog. Keep your elbows straight and raise the chin upward. Exhale. Down facing dog. Press the sternum inside. Press the heels down to the floor. Feel the stretch on top of the ribcage muscle. Push your sternum inside. Lengthen your spine. Keep breathing and breathe out. Now inhale, fold your knees. Exhale, jump forward into Padahastasana or walk back into Padahastasana. Grab your heels, try to touch your forehead in between the knees. Inhale, all the way up, lengthen your spine. Palms together. Take a deep breath, inhale. Don't stop the practice. Exhale completely and pull your abdomen towards the spine. Pull your navel against the spine. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out and hold the breath, pull your abdomen towards the spine. One more time, take a deep breath in and exhale completely. Again, one more time, take a deep breath in and exhale completely and pull your abdomen towards your spine here. Take a deep breath in and exhale, slowly fall forward, adjust your palms next to your foot. Inhale, halfway up, look front here. Keep breathing and breathe up. Exhale, jump back into down facing dog. Inhale, plank posture, hold 5. Tighten your glutes, engage your core. 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop the knees down and don't drop the chest. Hold this pose is going to work on your arms and shoulders. Make your arms become more strong. 6, 5. If you can, keep your knees off the floor. 4. Tighten your glutes. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, upward facing dog. Knees off the floor if you can. Or drop your knees here. Look upward. And exhale. Downward facing dog. Keep breathing and breathe out. Lengthen your spine. Breath be normal. Now inhale, fold your knees and exhale, jump forward into Padahastasana. Inhale all the way up, lengthen your spine, exhale, relax your hands by the side. Keep breathing and breathe out, take relaxation for a few seconds. So what we did, that is Vinyasa Sun Salutation. So we modified that series, and next we are going to practice Satyananda Sun Salutation. Satyananda is a great sage, a great master from Bihar, and he designed mostly is focused on the hip and spine. This class, this series, will stretches more quadriceps muscles and reduce the fat, and it stretches more back muscles and also reduce any kind of back problems and any tension in the back. So that is called Satyananda Sun Salutation. In Satyananda Sun Salutation, there is no plank posture, there is no plank or Dandasana. 2 times downward facing is there, and there is no child as well. So let's start practice. Please come front of the mat. Keep breathing, breathe out. Lengthen your spine. Stand little taller. Stand taller. Now 2 breaths. Inhale deeply into the nose and exhale from the mouth if you're tired. If you feel tired, then exhale from the mouth, then you will get instant relaxation. Let's start. Inhale through your nose, exhale from the mouth. Inhale through your nose, exhale. Let's start. So Satyananda Sun Salutation. Bring your feet together, take Namaskar Mudra. Now inhale, raise your both hands up, lengthen your spine and slightly arch back. Exhale, fall forward, adjust your palms, next your foot breath should be down. Inhale, right leg back. Exhale, drop your right knee down, push pelvic front. Here I will give you option wise, and take your hands into like your finger, place it on the kneecap and slowly push your sternum back with the help of your elbows. Keeping elbows straight and raise the sternum up. Make sure that you need to push pelvic down as much as you can. Then only you will have dynamic stretch on your right quadriceps muscles. Okay. Option 2, place your hands on your hip and push pelvic front and slightly bend back. Option 3, raise your both hands up, lengthen your spine, palms together and slowly bend back. Drop the hands on the floor in here and exhale. Take left leg back into downward facing dog. I said there is no plank posture, downward facing. Inhale, drop the knees down. Exhale, just chin on the floor as Stanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog again. Press the sternum inside again. Open your armpit completely. Lengthen your spine. Now here, inhale, right leg front. Exhale, half moon posture. Option 1, place your hands on your kneecap. Option 2, place your hands on your hip. Option 3, raise your both hands over the head and slightly arch back. Drop the hands on the floor, inhale. And exhale, left leg front into Padhasana. Inhale, all the way up. And exhale, Samasthiti. The same method, opposite side. Let's start. This is called 1 round, and second round we will do in the second round here. Check Namaskar Mudra. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, take left leg back. Exhale, half moon pose. Ardha Chandrasana. Drop the hands on the floor. Inhale. Exhale. Right leg back into down facing dog. Inhale. Drop the knees down. Exhale. Just chin on the floor as Stanga. Inhale. Upward facing dog. Exhale. Downward facing dog. Inhale. Left leg front. And exhale. Half moon posture. Drop the back leg down. Push pelvic front. And slowly bend back as much as you can. Slowly drop your hands on the floor, inhale, and exhale, right leg front into Padhasana. Inhale, all the way up, slightly arch back. Exhale, Samasthiti. And take relaxation for a few seconds. Focus on your back, focus on your hip, breath be normal, and take relaxation for a few seconds in this So next we will be doing, we are going to practice Ashtanga Sun Salutation Series A and Series B. Ashtanga Sun Salutation A and B. In Ashtanga Sun Salutation A there is the 9 step. In Ashtanga Sun Salutation B, in that 17 steps we have. Okay. So take normal breath for few seconds here. Take a deep breath into the nose and exhale from the mouth. Take one more deep breath in and exhale. Now Surya Namaskar A will do 2 rounds. Surya Namaskar B will do 1 round. Okay. In that we have variations also. Let's start practice. You come front of the mat. Stand with the feet together. Take Namaskar. As we here, raise your both hands up, lengthen your spine, palms together. Lengthen your spine here. Keep breathing this out. Exhale. Lean forward. Grab your heels, try to touch your forehead in between in a gap. Inhale, halfway up, look front. Lengthen your spine. Make sure that your knees are straight and strong. And drop the hands and jump back into down, into Chaturanga Dandasana. If you find it difficult, remember the option, drop the knees down, but don't drop the chest. Now inhale, upward facing down, knees off the floor. Knees off the floor. Exhale, downward facing down, press the sternum inside. Now here, 5 breath, Ujjayi breath. Inhale through throat and exhale through throat. 5 times. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Inhale, fold your knees. Exhale, jump forward. Look front, halfway up. Exhale, slowly go down, Padahastasana. Inhale, all the way up, lengthen your spine, palms together. Exhale, bend forward, second round. Lean forward, adjust your palms next to your foot. Now grab your heels, try to touch your forehead. Inhale, halfway up. Look front. Exhale, jump back. Inhale, after facing dog. Exhale, down facing dog. Hold 5 breaths. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Inhale, fold your knees. Exhale, jump forward into Padahasana or walk back into Padahasana. Inhale, all the way up. Exhale, relax the side. Keep breathing and breathe out. So last series, that is Sun Salutation B in Ashtanga Yoga. Okay. In that we have 17 steps. We'll do only 1 round. So stand with your feet together. Now inhale. Raise your both hands up. Fold your knees. Come into Utkatasana. Raising at your palm. Looking at your palm. Gazing at your palm. Exhale. Fall forward. Grab your heels, try to touch your forehead in between any gap. Adjust your palms here. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Knees off the floor. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now inhale, step your right foot front. Drop your left hip 45-degree angle. Inhale, raise your both hands up. Palms together. Come into Great Warrior. Fold your right knee here. Maintain the back leg so straight. Shoulders square. Hold, keep breathing and breathe out. Drop your hands on the floor. Inhale and exhale. Come into Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg front. Exhale, right to 45-degree angle. Inhale, raise your both hands up, lengthen your spine. Palms together. Look at your palms. Drop your hands on the floor. Inhale and exhale. Take left leg back. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Hold. 5 Ujjayi breath. If not, breath should be normal. And exhale from the mouth. Inhale through nose and exhale from the mouth. If you find it difficult to do Ujjayi. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, fold your knees, exhale, jump forward, and slowly Padahastasana, it is down. Inhale, all the way up, coming to Utkatasana, fold your knees, and exhale, relax. Shake your foot. Now, we did all series of Surya Namaskar. Sit comfortably and easily. Breath be normal. Take Chin Mudra upon your thighs or cross your fingers. Spine so straight, thumbs together. Spine so straight. Relax your shoulders down. Lengthen your neck. Head facing forward or look facing forward. Gently allow your eyes closed completely. Feel the sensations. Feel the heat in the body. Feel the solar energy in the system. Feel the vibrant. Experience the sensations in the system. Enjoy each and every changes in the body. Now slowly bring your attention back to your breath. Your breath should be normal and deeply without putting any stress on your face or nostril. With a gentle smile on your face, take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Take another deep breath in and slowly breathe out. One more deep breath in again and slowly breathe out. Now you are in calm, you are in harmony, you are in peace. There is no tension in the body. You are absolutely free from the pain. Just say it inside yourself that I am happy, I am peaceful, I am happy, I am peaceful, I have no worries. I love everyone and everybody loves me. With a gentle smile on your face, start rubbing your palms gently. Feel the heat in between your palms. Cup your eyes. Hold it for a while and feel the warm sensations on your eyes around you. Then slowly bring your hands down gently. Open your eyes. Look at the palm. Thank you all. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a great day. Stay safe and stay happy and healthy. See you tomorrow at the same time. Bye bye.